Alright, here we go, guys. Break 178. We got a 13-14 Ultimate box break. Start off by showing Winnipeg. Last team for auction. Winnipeg box break 178. Ended March 25, 7:42 p.m. Eastern Daytime. Serial number NE 2211 48 590. So, thanks a lot for joining, guys. I wish you the best of luck, and let's pull some nice cards. Looks like we got a patch. All right. To 499 for the Oilers, Jordan Eberle for the Oilers. To 499 Ultimate Rookies for Montreal, Patrick Oland. Ultimate Signatures for Chicago, Doug Wilson. And for the Dallas Stars, Dual Patches Ultimate Rookie out of 35. Valeri Shushkin and Alex Chiasson. Some nice patches. Not bad, not bad. Pretty cool hit for Dallas Stars. So, that's it, guys. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you next time. Peace.